Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. So today let's kick off with a quiz on the second lecture of intellectual property rights, which is on the types of intellectual property. So are you ready? Let's start. First question. Patents, designs, geographical indications, trademarks, trade secrets are examples of copyright, artistic work, industrial property, non-industrial property. The answer is industrial property. Second question. Which of the following is not subject matter of copyright protection? Literary work, invention, artistic work, musical work. The answer is invention. So literary, artistic, musical, all work are coming under the copyright protection. Question number 3. Miss Lekha has written an original story. So what type of intellectual property gives her the right to decide who can make and sell copies of her work? Options are copyright, registered designs, trademarks, patents. The answer is copyright. Question number 4. Mr. Poet created a new poem. He performed that poem for the first time on 21st August 2000. He published his poem on 2nd January 2012. In a meeting on 4th February 2013, he discussed his plan for IPR protection of his work under Copyright Act. While on his way to perform the poem on 25th time, Mr. Poet died on 31st December 2022. How long copyright of his work will be protected? Options are during 60 years post 21st August 2020, during lifetime of Mr. Poet plus 60 years beginning 1st January 2023, during lifetime of Mr. Poet plus 60 years beginning 31st December 2022, and right is not protected as it was only discussed and not registered. Okay, now the answer will be during lifetime of Mr. Poet plus 60 years beginning 1st January 2023. So in India, copyright protection lasts for 60 years and the lifetime of the author. Now suppose our author died in a middle of an year, then the copyright protection starts from the next 1st January of the next year. So the answer will be the second one. Question number 5. As per the Copyright Act 1957, following is not correct regarding term of copyright. So it is protected for a limited period of time only. So it is true. General rule is that copyright lasts for 60 years. This is also true. For anonymous and pseudo-anonymous publication is for 60 years from the date of publication. This is also true. And term starts with publication during life of publishers only up to 10 years. So this is wrong. This is not for 10 years. So the answer is the fourth one. Question number 6. Mr. Milky has discovered a totally new way to process milk. Cheese made from it do not have any fat. Identify the applicable category of IPR. Options: patent, trademark, copyright, industrial design. So the answer is patent because it is a process which can be protected under patent. Question number 7. The term of protection of patent in India is 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. The answer is 20 years. Question number 8. Invention of mobile phone, telephone, magnetic levitation, electric bulb, global positioning system are protected under which category of IPR? Patent, copyright, design, trademark. Answer is patent because all are inventions. Question number 9. Logos of SBI, Starbucks Coffee, Apple, Adidas, Facebook are protected under which kind of IPR? So logos are coming under which kind of intellectual property? So patent, copyright, trademark, design. The answer is trademark. Question number 10. The term of protection without renewal of trademarks in India is 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. The answer is 10 years. Question number 11. Which among the following is not an example of industrial design? Coca-Cola bottle, nano car, iPhone, book. The answer is book, because the design of Coca-Cola bottle, design of iPhone, design of nano car, all are protected or all are industrial design. Question number 12. The term of protection without renewal of industrial design in India is 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. The answer is 10 years. Number 13. An assurance of quality and distinctiveness which is essentially attributable to the facts of its origin is that defined geographical locality, region or country comes under patent, GI, copyright, trademarks. So the answer is geographical indication or GI. Next question. What is the time limit of geographical indication tag? 20 years, 60 years, 30 years, 10 years. The answer is 10 years. Question number 15. Which was the first Indian product to get GI tag? Darjeeling tea, Madhubani painting, catering rice, basmati rice. The answer is Darjeeling tea. Question number 16. Darjeeling tea, Banarasi sari, Kashmiri saffron, Mysore silk are examples of trademarks, trade secrets, geographical indications, traditional knowledge. Answer: geographical indications. Next question. GI tag can be given on goods under the category handicraft, agricultural, manufactured, natural, foodstuff. Which of the above statements are correct? So answer is A, B, C, D, E. So all the options are correct. That means GI tag can be given on goods under all these categories. So if the products belongs to handicraft, agricultural, manufactured, natural or foodstuff, it can be protected under geographical indication. Next question. Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design Act 2000 provides exclusive rights to the creator for 10 years from granting, 10 years from filing, 10 years from the death of inventor, 10 years from clearing objections. The answer is 10 years for filing. So any kind of intellectual property are protected from the filing of the application. Next question. The term of protection of new plant varieties depends on the type of plant, such as A, 18 years for trees and vines, B, 15 years for extant varieties, C, 15 years for other crops. So which of the above statements are correct? The answer is A, B, C. So all three options are correct. Next question. Which of the following are not trade secrets? Designs, plans, geographical indications, market plans. Answer is geographical indications, because designs, plans, market plans can be protected secret, trade secret. Next question. Formula of Coca-Cola, KFC, Google search algorithm, the New York Times bestseller list are examples of which type of IP? Trademarks, trade secrets, patents, industrial designs. So all are examples of trade secrets. Question number 22. Trade secrets are protected in India for how many years? 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, no fixed time period. The answer is no fixed time period. Next question. Which among the following is not an example of traditional knowledge? Ayurveda, Unani, Darjeeling tea, yoga. The answer is Darjeeling tea, because Darjeeling tea is an example of geographical indication, and Ayurveda, Unani, yoga, these are traditional knowledge. Bharatanatyam dance, Kalaripattu martial art, Bhavai folk theatre form, Jaro hunter-gatherer are examples of which kind of IP? Geographical indications, traditional knowledge, biodiversity, copyrights. So these are all traditional knowledge examples. Okay, thank you very much.